Cecilia, and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's LEGO Reviews. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Lloyd's Journey, number 70671. It has 81 pieces, and it's the LEGO Ninjago series, and 6+. So we chose this because, well, we really like Ninjago, so we just chose this out of the bunch. And this is the box, and I'm going to open it up and build it. Remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. And watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about this set. Opening time!
Let's go home.
Here we have bag 1. We have the instructions, bag 2, and bag 3.
Here you go.
Well, it has the wolf, and then we have this piece. I think that's everything.
I want the boulder. I'm going to click gems, okay? I'm going to click gems. Gems. Big gems. A toy? I say toy. Give me a toy. I'm going to do it.
And so we have the fox, so you can like owl or like this. So here we have the bad guy. I don't know what his name is, and it has like these shields, and it has these throwing stars, and it also has this slingshot that you can shoot. And he has this blue sword, and he's double-headed, so like this.
I'm gonna cut
and you have more of the throwing stars.
I'm gonna cut
Here we also have the
wolf.
wolf. His head can go up and down. And here we have Lloyd. He has the sword in the back, and he has this staff with fire on it. He has a mask, and he's also double-headed. And then we also have the sword stuck in the stone. What is this? And it's basically this. So it's pretty cool. So now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give the positives and negatives about this set. So for the positives, it has 3 characters: Lloyd, the wolf, and the bad guy. It has a good amount of things to play with, and it is very descriptive. We don't really have any negatives. But the real question is, would I buy it again? Yes, I would, because it's awesome and cool. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch our video next week.